Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones Sony XM6. And the first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the right ear cup, at the bottom of the right ear cup, we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And near to the port, we should see this LED light, because it means that your headphones is charging. Now, the second option is to use your phone. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable, what look like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and then the second one to USB-C port at your right ear cup. And again, we can see this LED light, so it also works. And the last option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. And you can use, let's say, your PC to charge your headphones, and it looks like this. Or you can use another device with USB-A port. Now connect USB-A cable to USB-A port. I'm going to use my PC for this. And USB-C cable to USB-C port on your right ear cup. And it should also work, yeah, and it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.